Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn the formula SUMIF. It is our data, trading data and cost. On Monday the trading cost was 4, then Tuesday the trading cost was 8, and so on. And days are repeated like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, again Monday, then again Monday. Actually we want to know the cost of every Monday, then every Tuesday, then so on. Like how can we know that? We just type here Monday, then drag down Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can just drag down, the all weekdays will down show. The purpose of the purpose of SUMIF is Monday has cost 4, then 6, 10, 4 plus 6, 10 plus 6, 16. The purpose is SUMIF is they will sum. If he found data Monday, then Monday, he will sum. If he will sum this, they will sum this, and it will sum this. How can we do it? We use formula equal to SUMIF bracket open. We select the range and press F4 for fix the range. You see the dollar sign is showing, comma, select Monday, comma, total cost, select the range of total cost, press F4. You see here dollar sign is not showing. The purpose of dollar sign is fix the range. We type just F4. You see dollar signs are showing, and close bracket, press enter. You see Monday total trading cost is 16. You can sum it 4 plus 6 10 plus 6 16 and drag down. Right, just drag down and formula copy automatically. You see the total cost is 149. Here also days wise total 149. For example, we check the total of Tuesday 8, then Tuesday 5, 8 plus 5 13, then Tuesday no Tuesday. It means 13 is the correct answer. The formula is working correctly. For example, we check the total of Friday 2, and then Friday no Friday. It means Friday total is also correct. When you use the formula, you must recheck your formula is working correctly, then you will assure it your formula is working correct. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any question, you may comment us. Thank you so much.